Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to Grade 1 Theory. Today we're doing the slur and the tie. So simple. Sometimes in music between notes you will see a little arc that has been drawn like that. And sometimes when the note moves you will also see this arc above the notes like that. Sometimes below, sometimes above. So what's the difference between a slur and a tie? If you're wanting to tie one note to another, very often this happens over a bar line. And because you can't join them and make them one note, you have to tie them together with the use of this little arc that you draw. So this would be a tie. So a tie is when the little line is drawn and joins the two notes, but joins two notes that are exactly the same. So this note has to be exactly the same as that note for it to be a tie. If the second note is different to the first note, it is then a slur. Right. A slur actually pertains to articulation, which is a way of playing. So if you were a trumpet player, you would play da, and that's what the slur is telling you to do. If the slur wasn't there, you'd play these two notes detached. Ba, ba, like that. But with the slur, ba, like that. So the slur has something to do with articulation, but the tie has to do with joining rhythms together or joining notes together. All right, so that note simply becomes longer with the tie, but with the slur, it tells you how to play these two notes melodically in a particular way. So let's just have a look. There's some trick questions here. They're going to ask you something like this, and they're going to say, is this a slur or is this a tie? This is an A and this is an A sharp. These are two different notes. Even though they're on the same space, they are two different notes. And if they are different, it is a slur. Right. I could show you some other examples. Let's say we were in 4/4. Sorry, we had something like this. Let's make this a minim. The tie could be used to carry that minim sound through into the next bar, and that's how it's often used. So in this case, this is an A, a minim A, and this is a crotchet A, and they are exactly the same in terms of the letter name of the note, and therefore it is a tie. Right, that's it. Slur and a tie, very easy.